Hi friends, this is the second video for Formula 1 Protectant. We already tried it on our dashboard. Now it's time for the tires. Says you can also protect rubber. So let's try it on tires. Still on. It's been more than a month now. So first we'll remove some dust from this. And I will try only on one side to see how it looks comparing to the older one. It spills a lot and too much pressure on the nozzle. Alright, now let's wipe it off. Some of it is also on the rim. Yeah, I think it's good for the rubber. This place we have not done, and this place we have done, and it shines a little, and I think it's good for the rubber compared to the dashboard. For the dashboard I will stick to the turtle wax protectant, and for the tires maybe I'll be using this Formula 1. Alright friends, that's it for this video. Please subscribe.